Good morning, everyone. So today what I'm going to do is, I know a lot of people use a strainer. I've never done it, and I found this little piece at the Goodwill, the secondhand store. So I'm going to try to use it and see what happens. This one, I want to use a white base. Some days these are hard to get open. There we go. There we go. Lots of white paint. I find this so much quicker just to rub it around with my hands. Because yeah, I don't want to make the video too long for you. There, that's nice. Lots of air bubbles in this one, so I'm going to get the air bubbles out. All right, that looks good. So what I'm going to do for the colors is I'm going to do some black as the base. A little cup here for you. Maybe I should have opened all these lids before I started. Always have lots and lots and lots of black pre-mixed. Alright, so here we go. I'm going to put the black in the bottom. And then I'm going to put some bronze. Put that in there slowly. See it? Then I want some purple. Quite a bit. And I'll just do a tiny spot of black on the top, just to give it a little bit more mix. A little bit more bronze. And a little bit more of the purple. Pretty crazy colors. Okay, so let's put this on here. Let's see what happens. Got that center. That looks good to me. All right. Do a tiny dot in the middle, since this isn't like a normal container. Plop the rest right in the center. All right, are we ready to see what happens? Locked up and through that middle. All right, we'll give it the swirl. That's turning out not too bad. Wow, I like the purple. Really like how the purple's turning out. Just do a little bit more this way. Well, what are you thinking of how it's turning out? Really liking the colors. A little bit more this way. I mix up that white too much. So, I always want to do something a little extra. This one is good. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to give this one a little bit of bling. So I'm quite careful with this stuff because I find that it's kind of dusty. Bling out the white areas. Be more careful. I'm already hearing some of it go on the floor. All right. Now I'm giving a little bit more of a, just move it around a little bit. Just a little bit. Just to the edges. Yes, I like it. All right. I hope you liked today's project. I'm not going to hold that up for very long because I'm worried about everything falling too far down, but this is the way I like it. I hope you enjoyed it today, and I'll see you again for another project. Have a great day. Hi everyone. I've been away for a couple hours, just enough time to let this dry, and I absolutely loved it. So with all the sparkles and everything in it, I went and got an old frame and I painted it a flat white. As you can see, it's just kind of flat, hard with the glare of this light up above, but love the way it turned out. So also you can now see a little bit closer and see how some of the sparkles have worked. Really liked how they turned out. And as always, I'll have to add that gold, and the gold always has a bit of a sparkle in it as well. So absolutely love it. Glad I framed it. I hope you like it as well. So please subscribe and like it, of course, and we'll talk to you soon. Have a great day. Bye.